Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this weekend's edition of Lost and Found. I'm Nicole Nalepa. We have two great pups to introduce to you from Pack Leaders Rescue. First up is Jessie. He's an 8-year-old black lab mix. What a cutie. Jessie was surrendered to the shelter when his owner had to move out of state. So while this boy is technically a senior dog, he still has lots of playful energy. Don't let the age deceive you. He's lived with another dog for his entire life and would likely enjoy the companionship of another social pup. And Jessie doesn't have much experience with kids, but he's been friendly with all of the people he's met so far. He's neutered and he's up to date on all of his shots. Next up is Tyrion. Any Game of Thrones fans? He's a 1-year-old Staffordshire Terrier lab mix. And this sweet and friendly boy loves to play. He would make a great jogging partner. Tyrion would do best in a home with kids over the age of 14 and would like to be the only pet in the house. He needs a forever home that would be committed to continuing his training while giving him lots of toys and playtime since he is still a big puppy. He's neutered, vaccinated, microchipped, and even comes with a month of pet health insurance. Pack Leaders Rescue also has an adoption event that they'd like us to tell you about. So coming up this weekend, they will be at the Manchester PetSmart on Pleasant Valley Road. They'll be there on Friday from 4 to 7 and on Saturday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. If you're interested in either of these pups and would like to find out more information about them, just head to the Pack Leaders website, www.packleadersrescue.com. That's it for this weekend's edition of Lost and Found. We'll be back next Sunday with some more pets who are looking for their forever homes.